Hi, George. You're in black and white.
I heard it was sexy.
It is sexy.
Make it a vlogger. Good morning, God.
Hey, it's Tuesday.
But it's Friday.
It was adorable.
Child.
Bye, Jay.
I don't like
Nice sleep, George.
They're kind of jerks.
He was a jerk?
My vlogs.
Lois, I hope you explained that it was a train and it lurched.
Suddenly
So
you
all of
can't
a sudden
jump.
you just see me go,
Yep.
we reached the station. The train was in quotation. And then I will make a response video saying, she lied, the train lurched.
She lies. No, this is crazy. Oh, this is my stop is what this is.
Ditto.
So you're getting off. That was badly timed. Oh, you're coming too. Hi, Emma. Oh, that's sexy. You and George both make that face.
I was making it, she made it.
No. Ow.
I could have made it.
You were gonna be hit by a train. Look at that train. See? Right there, that was a train.
Only a little bit.
Only a lot bit.
I didn't want it. Stop. Hey, Lois. Let's go on an elevator. Can I film you on the elevator? Get the middle one.
It's in sexy black and white, see? Look at that camera. It's sexy.
I thought you said sassy black and white.
Sexy black and white.
No, we're teenagers, therefore it has to
Okay,
be sassy.
ready? We're jumping. We're also
Sassy.
jumping, okay? No, and...
I'm not. I'm hiding.
4, 5.
No! I want to go back down, but I don't want to take the elevator.
Sorry.
Okay. We'll meet you downstairs.
I don't want to take the stairs.
Okay, you can see the creepy stairs.
I don't like elevators.
Oh, there's also tenant storage.
Where's what now?
David Tenant Storage 6.
Really?
Yeah.
David Tennant Storage 6?
Well, it doesn't say David, but it's spelled like his last name.
You should write David in front of it in
I
Sharpie.
want to.
Graffiti. Oh, these will be good. That is called I failed 9th grade math class. See? It's just a little cove.
I failed in grade architecture class. Okay, so this one has a railing. Why is this open? It's dark and scary.
Oh, I wish my camera had a light. It's just completely black.
I'm still on third. We're only on third, Lois. I feel tall on these.
Well, I just fell over, so.
These stairs are so narrow, I feel tall. Look
I'm
at how short that door is.
a hobbit. Oh my god, it is short. I'm just
Creepy hell stairs part.
I'm just gonna speed up the left bit. Ooh, hell stairs. Wait. There's a strobe light. What? What are you?
Creepy hellhole.
Oh. I can't even see.
Sand. I don't know what.
Sand.
Yeah, there's lots of sand.
That's weird.
Come on, let's keep going down. Oh, and look, a ladder.
Where does it go to?
I don't know.
Well, why is it here?
Because you're part of the same building. No.
Sunlight.
Do you see the basement?
Don't.
You want to just look through the window in to the basement?
I don't want to go all the way down it.
You don't have to.
I don't want to go down it. Oh, that leads to the tea room.
That leads to the hell basement. See, tenant storage 6.
Gross.
It's
That's gross,
cheesy.
dude. Okay, there is no one in that elevator. What is this? They just open and close. There's no one in them.
Well, they pick people up.
But no one pressed the button.
You don't know that.
I've been here. No one pressed the button for there. Yet these guys showed up at just the right moment to go in.
No, but they're upstairs. They're pressing buttons upstairs.
If they pressed a button upstairs, why did it come down here to open?
They do that by default.
That's stupid.
Because most people start on the first floor, Lois.
But if I'm pressing a button upstairs, why would I want it to come down? Okay, look at this. There is no one in there, and we didn't press any buttons.
Well, that's because default, they're programmed to stay here until an elevator is in need or someone walks in and goes in.
That's just weird.
That's just regular.
No, elevators don't do that. Just these. Usually they keep their doors shut until someone needs them.
Except on the first floor.
No, I've been on plenty of first floors where they don't do that. Just opening and closing. Like, what are you doing?
That was closing.
Like, what do you want, people?
I want to go up. I like this padlock.
I want Italian
I
soda.
like this tray.
This tray.
Tray and mouse.
It looks so weird from out here. I feel like a weird person.
Now cut to tea room. You better really cut on that.
George, do you want to open the door?
It's this one.
You figured it out. He read the sign. It's amazing. This is my favorite ad ever.
No, just the face.
I dreamed I had tea for two in my maiden form bra. It was exciting. I am rich. For some reason I can't afford my clothes though. That face. George doing that face. That was actually really creepy. There's another underwear one. Look. We own these cups.
That's creepy.
But my other favorite ad is this underwear ad. Like, yes, say Carter's Tricks, always fitting in proper. It's very proper to sit in your underpants and drink tea.
Very.
George, Nick, there's a guy making spaghetti. Everybody's watching him make spaghetti like it's amazing. Oh, George, we need a... Now we're at the tea room.
Now we're at the tea room. Now I'm leaving the tea room.
Bye!